Today's class is the consonants. Let's enjoy! These are consonants pronunciation positions. These are 파, 열, These are 파, 잘, These are 마, 잘, These are 비, 콧소리. These are 유, It's good to practice systematically according to the location of sound and how it is made. First, it's better to learn from consonants that have a complete as regular, hard, and strong sounds. Look at the difference in the location of sound. The lips, the upper gums, the strong loop of the mouth, the soft loop of the mouth, the throat. It's in different positions. As I said, English comes from beyond the neck, but Hangeul is almost made with its mouth. The sound comes from the front. In other words, you use completely different muscles when you talk, so you have to practice over and over again to become natural. Okay? Good. From now on, let's learn the pronunciation of consonants in detail. Look at this line. This is plosive. It's divided into regular, hard, and strong sounds. Remember, the consonant is hard to pronounce alone, so we practice pronunciation with the representative vowel A. Repeat after me. Pa, pa, pa. Let's learn from the same consonants where the sound comes from. This is because there are a lot of consonants in Korean that have same pattern as pa, pa, pa. At this time, the hard sounds is more powerful than the regular sounds. And the strong sounds are pronounced a higher sound than the regular sounds. First, you will learn by comparing regular and hard sounds. Okay, let's move on. First, you will learn by comparing regular and hard sounds. Pa, pa. Pronounced pa, pa slowly. Pa is stronger and longer on both lips than pa. At this point, you put your palm on your neck and you can feel the difference in the amount of force it takes. Right? Put your palm on your neck. Pa, pa. And pa is pronounced higher than pa. Pa, pa. Okay, next. Ta, ta. Capital sound like we practiced pa, pa. Repeat after me. Ta, ta. Put the front of your tongue wide on the roof of your mouth. Put more pressure on your tongue and take it off. Put your palm on your neck and give more strength and you can feel it. Put your palm on your neck. Repeat after me. 다, 따. And now is pronounced higher than 다. Okay, next. 가, 까. It sounds inside your mouth compared to other consonants. Copy the sound like you practiced pa, pa. Okay, repeat after me. 가, 까. 까 is pronounced higher than 가, right? Okay, good. Repeat after me. 파, 빠. 다, 따. 가, 까. Okay, good. And then we will learn by comparing regular and strong sound. Repeat after me. 파, 파. Pa is more windy than pa. Take your palm, put it in front of your mouth, and compare them to how the wind is different, and you can feel it. Put your palm in front of your mouth. Repeat after me. Pa, pa. Pa is pronounced a higher sound than pa, and blows a lot of wind. Okay? Next. 다, 타. Copy the sound like we practiced pa, pa. Repeat after me. 다, 타. Okay, next. 가, 카. Repeat after me. 가, 카. Good. Repeat after me. 파, 파. 다, 타. 가, 카. Okay. Good. Read again. Repeat after me. 파, 빠. 다, 따. 가, 까. 파, 파. 다, 타. 가, 카. Okay. Good. Let's move on. This is 파, 찰, It's a sound that you make by blocking your mouth and opening it a little bit, but it's different from the plosive 파열음. Look, 자, 짜, 차. Repeat after me. 자, 짜, 차. 짜 is pronounced by giving a lot of strength and increasing the pitch of sound. 차 puts your palm in front of your mouth and pronounces for a lot of wind. Repeat after me. 자, 짜, 차. Okay, good. Let's move on. This is 마, 찰, Look at this line. S, s exists in other languages and it's not a particularly difficult pronunciation. Okay. Repeat after me. 사, 시. Put your right forefinger in front of your mouth, your left forefinger on your neck. Slowly pronounce s and s in succession. Okay? When you focus on your right hand, s is more windy than s. Okay? And when you focus on your left hand, when you pronounce s, you have a lot of strength in your neck than s. Look at this line. Please pronounce 사, 시. Okay, good. 스포시 is pronounced in the back then 사. Again, 사, 시. Okay, good. Repeat after me. 사, 시. 사, 시. 싸, 시. 싸, 시. Okay, good. Next. Repeat after me. 하. Look at this line. Repeat after me. 아, 하. 이, 히. 우, 후. 에, 해. 오, 호. Okay, good. Put your palm in front of your mouth. Repeat after me. 하, 히, 후, 해, 호. 하, 히, 후, 해, 호 are pronounced 무 and flow. Okay, good. Let's move on. This is 비음, 콧소리. Look at this line. 무, 느, and are the sound of air coming out of your nose. Look at this line. 안, 앙. Is the sound of warm air coming from your nose. Do you remember? ing is characterized by no sound value at the first sound letter, such as a. And like 앙, it only sounds into a nasal sound, 비음, when it comes to the an sound letter. In other words, the Korean ing only sounds in the final consonant, 응. Put your forefinger about 1 centimeter below your nose. Repeat after me. 안, 앙. Okay, good. Let's move on. This is 유음. You should distinguish 르 when it comes to the initial consonant of the syllable at the final consonant of the syllable. Look at this line. 라, 면. Put lightly the tip of your tongue on your upper gums and take it up and slowly pronounce it. Repeat after me. 라, 면. When 르 for 라면 comes to the initial consonant of the syllable, 르 is completely blocked in the mouth for a very short time. Okay? Look at this line. 달. This is the sound of air coming from both sides of your tongue, and your thumb and forefinger are lightly placed on both ends of your lips. Okay? Good. Repeat after me. 달. When 달 comes to the final consonant of the syllable, warm air comes from both sides of your tongue. Okay? Good. Draw a circle to indicate the position with your eyes. Like this. Repeat after me. 라, 면, 달. Okay? Good. So, look again. Basic and double consonants that add the basic characters like this. Look again at the location of the sound and how it is made. The location of sound is different and also the way of the sound is different. Remember the same consonants where the sound comes from. Okay, good. That's it for today's lesson. Next class is the writing system of Hangeul. Please press like and subscribe. See you next time.